In this series, we will build a complete authentication system using Express.js server-side language and SQLite database. Along the way, we will explore common authentication vulnerabilities, understand how they occur, and learn how to fix them properly. If you are a developer or a penetration tester, this series will help you understand authentication concepts in a much deeper and practical way, so you can both build secure systems and identify common security flaws in real-world applications. The complete project source code will be available through the GitHub repository link in the description. Feel free to clone it, run it locally, and experiment with the examples as we progress throughout the series. The goal is not just to build a login system, it's to understand the security principles behind authentication and how they are implemented using modern web framework and technologies that developers use in real-world applications. By the end of this series, you will not only know how authentication works, but also how to design and implement authentication system that is secure and scalable. Before we start building anything, let's understand what authentication actually means. Authentication is the process of verifying user identity. When you enter a username and password, the application checks whether those credentials belong to a valid user. If the credentials match, you are authenticated and allowed to access the system. If they don't, access is denied. In web applications, authentication is the first layer of security and is responsible for ensuring that users are who they claim to be. Authentication security is ranked number 7 in the OWASP top 10 under authentication failures. This highlights how common issues like weak passwords, broken login systems, and poor session management continue to be a major security risk in real-world applications. Throughout this series, we will build a secure authentication system step by step. We will start with login and sign up, secure password using hashing, explore sessions and JWTs, implement access and refresh tokens, and finally add role-based access control. Along the way, we will explore the most common security vulnerabilities that affect real-world authentication system and how to defend against them. We will cover user enumeration, brute force attacks, rate limiting, JWT security mistakes, secure session management, password reset security, email verification, CSRF protection, secure cookies, multi-factor authentication. For this project, we are using Express.js, a very popular backend framework built on Node.js. For data storage, we are using SQLite. It is a simple file-based database that keeps your data secure and easy to manage without requiring a separate database server. Together, Express.js and SQLite allow you to build clean, efficient, and beginner-friendly authentication system. To interact with the application, we used Postman as our API testing tool. Instead of building a front-end application, we directly sending API requests through Postman, which helps us test authentication flows like sign-up, login, and protected routes in a simple and efficient way. If you have any problem while understanding and setting up this project, feel free to contact me. I will try to help. And subscribe to this channel for more content on the application security.